Hello and good morning, all of my crafty friends. This morning is a huge announcement and to show you an unboxing. I have been picked to be on the design team for ClearScraps. I will link them down below so that you guys can go and check out their shop. It's totally amazing. They do chipboard, acrylic, wood pieces, things like that. And I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. So I wanted to show you what I got. But before we do that, I want to thank all of my subscribers for coming back and watching my videos. And I want to thank all of my new subbies for joining in. I hope you guys enjoy the videos and are getting inspired and being able to create some of your own little projects. So without further ado, I want to show you some of the things that I got. Okay, so the first thing I got was this truck shaker, and I'm going to take these out because there is a glare so that you can see them nicely. And so we have the truck piece, and then we have the already cut acrylic piece, and then the backing. And so you can have it like that, all the way see-through, or you can put it on the back piece like so. Now, I may be doing something different with these. I am not quite sure yet, but I do have an idea in mind, so I hope you guys will stay tuned. So there's that one. I also got the pumpkin. Fall time is coming right up around the corner. So here is the pumpkin. I'm trying to show without the shiny glare. Super cute. And then we got a house. Also super cute. We got an owl, which I have something special planned for this, and along with the truck. So we got this cute little owl here. Isn't he so cute? Oh, I love it. And then I have something special planned for this one as well. This is a Mickey. How adorable is that, right? So there's those. And then I got the Dream Big wood words quotes that they have on their site, and they have a bunch of these, so you have a big variety to choose from. And I like this one. I'm going to do something special. I'm going to put it up in my craft room to always remind me to dream big. And then we get into the some of the wood pieces here, the smaller ones. Now these here were made for, I believe, for like little albums. Excuse me, I swallowed wrong. And so you can tie these and put paper in them and make like a little album or something, or maybe some brads. But I'm actually going to be using these as bases for some of my mixed media. So yeah, so I got those. These are the same, except these say notes on them. So you can see where it says notes right there, which I thought was really cool. And then the back one is blank too. I might make a little album out of one of them, but not quite sure yet. And then we have two. I got two of these blank ones, so I'll show you just one. And as you can see, just like the other ones, except they're blank. I like these. These are actually made of birch wood. Very thick, very sturdy. And then I got some chipboard pieces, so let me show you those. Move that up out of the way. Okay, and also, you know what? Let me grab a piece of paper here, so you guys can see these better. And so we have hearts. We have wings, like angel wings, or kind of like we do with the little paper dolls. These are, I say bubbles, circles. I really like these. These give good accents to mixed media projects. We have a clock. This here is chicken wire, but it can also be honeycomb if you wanted it to, and you could cut the pieces that you're using for a honeycomb. I got the oh man, see, it's going to slip my mind now. Dress form chipboard. Then we have some gears and cogs and the Edison light bulbs. So there are those. And I also got some stencils. I got the, I don't know if you can see that or not. You know what? Because of the glare, I'll take it out. So this here is the grass. Stencil. This one here is bricks. Then we have these here is bubbles. I don't know if you can see that. Let me put it up against the white. There we go. So we have bubbles. I'm trying to hold it at an angle here so there's not a glare. So we got bubbles stencil. Yes, I got a lot in this box. So this one here is the swirls stencil. As again, I apologize for the glare, but as you know, packaging and new stencils do sometimes have that glare, so I do apologize. That's why I'm taking them out, to try to bring that down some. These here are tree branches. I did get a couple of Christmas ones because, you know, Christmas is coming up soon too as well. And so these are the snowflakes. And these are the Christmas bulbs. I'm trying to make sure I get in frame here also. And then I got some bamboo. That's upside down, yeah. And so I got some bamboo. Super cool, super excited about that. So now we go to some of the bigger pieces. So this here is a phone holder. and it goes like this here. And so it sits, so you can alter this, you can paint it, you can, you know, do whatever you want. This here I would probably keep flat, especially if you're putting your phone on it. But super cool. Very, very cool idea for your phone. I like that. And then I got this family frame that you can put together. So you have your family board, you could put your photo and you could frame it. And then your bottom pieces here clip on, and you can glue them on to give a 3D. Give me just a second. There we go. To give a 3D effect, and it stands up just like that. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? So there is that. I'm gonna have fun doing things with that. And then I got, now you guys know I love mason jars. Look at these guys. Oh my goodness. This is for an album. Okay. You can make an album with it if you choose to do so. Or you can make shakers. So you have like this here, can be a shaker. Or you can just alter one as a 3D. And then you have two left over that you can alter, or whatever, however you want to do them. Isn't that neat? I love that. I was just telling my husband outside I needed to go and cut some of our wood up so that I could have wood pieces to alter. And looky here, some scallops. Isn't that neat? And now these are birch wood, so I'm not sure if you can actually see how thick these are. These are very, very nice quality. I mean, just amazing. And they're not expensive either. And then I got the deco ones, which are super cool as well. I love these. This is the shape that I use mostly in my journals, also for my labels and things. So to get these in a wood piece and use them for a project is absolutely wonderful. And then I got 3 hearts. And I love that none of them are the same. They all look so different, you know. So when you paint these, or you put like a clear gesso on these or something, you know, I mean, the ridges, all the texture is going to be different, which I love so much. And then, of course, you know, I had to get the bigger mason jars. Oh my gosh, I love these so much because I can decorate these however I want to. I could just go to town on them. You know what I mean? So, love those so much. Now this here, is an album cover. Well, I would use it as an album cover. And it has the 3 and 3 that you can put a wire through. And then you could have your inside, right? So what I'm thinking about doing with this, because it is wood, is making an art journal through this, because it is wood, which means no matter what I do into it or on the pages or anything like that, it's still going to stay strong and it's not going to get flimsy. So I'm really thinking about doing that with those. Then wanted to see, now this is going to have a glare, and I don't know if you'll be able to even see this. I'll grab a sheet of paper to see if you can, maybe. Okay, so this is a huge piece of acrylic, okay? And it's really thick. And I wanted to test these out, so I got this one here, and then I got this very, I don't even know what to call the design, but it's, I would say fancy cut. So I got this one here. I wanted to test these to see if I could do mixed media on these, because these would be really easy to just pop a couple holes in and then hang them up. So yes, I wanted to try those. So I got those, and then I got the same, you might not be able to see it, but this shape here is the shape on this one. And so you can see how it comes out at the corners, hopefully. I'm not sure if the glare is too much. Maybe you can see that on the paper. Yes, super, super cool. This one here is sort of the same, except it has the fancy little corner rounds. So yes, super excited for those. Now, the one thing I'm so excited about that I have I have got so many ideas for is huge. Okay, it is huge. Wait till I show you this. Let me get it out so there's not a glare. Okay. Yes, it's that big. It's going to take me just a minute here. It's so cool. Okay, are you ready? Look at that. Can you see that? All of it? I hope so. Let me move that up a little bit. Look at that, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? That truck. You could do it either way. Oh, I love how they don't stick the whole thing down, just a little piece. That's very nice of them. So you don't have to fight to try to get it off. And look at that. Just a little glue dot comes right off. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this, guys. I am so excited. Okay, so I'll get that off in a little while. Look at that. I got big plans for that. So yes, I'm so excited. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. I know it took a little bit of time getting it out of the packages, but like I said, with the glare and things like that, I just wanted to make sure you guys could actually see it and see the quality and the grains in the wood and things like that. Know that it is real birch wood. It is so fabulous. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing bunches of projects with these, and don't forget to go over to their blog. Well, I'll be posting there as well, along with my own blog. So I hope to see you guys there. Stay creative, be blessed, and think outside your box.